There is so much I love about this idea from Caitlin. Just goes to show you don't need fancy rainbow containers to make Toothy successful in your classroom. So what I love about this is so much. I love the gallon Ziploc bag and the simplicity of that. I love that she stores them on key rings so that the sets don't get unorganized and separated from each other. And then I also love that everything just fits nicely inside of that baggie. So she includes the Toothy mat and she includes the expo marker as well. I love this idea from my teacher friend Linda. As you can see, she is on Zoom. It would also work with Google Meet, and she's using Toothy as a math assessment. What she does is she shows the students a math problem. All of them answer the question on a whiteboard, but then she unmutes one person to answer it out loud, and then they all self-check and add a tooth in Toothy's mouth for the correct answer. We love this idea from our friend Diana. She says what she does is she hangs up the task cards all around her room, and then when students come in the morning, they get so excited to see those. Just to add to this idea, I have done this in my own classroom. What I like to do is I give my students clipboards, and then they take those recording sheets with them. That way you can check their answers, and it allows them to move freely around the classroom.